Everybody, do you hear that? Shh. Somebody let a fly in the house.
Oh my gosh.
Fly in the
I
house.
seriously was like thinking there was like a leak somewhere.
No, I was like, wait.
Well, I had to verify that it wasn't because you just never know. So.
Oh no, okay, is my hair okay for right now?
Yeah, it's really cute.
Okay.
When you were watching me cut in the kitchen, it's kind of like messy right now. And all I could think of was, you can't eat at everybody's house. You can't eat at everybody's house.
I love that song. So true. And depending on the day, I feel that way about my own house.
You know what? My hands are clean, counter's clean. It's fine.
Well, it's not a cookout if you don't have fun, cool white chairs to take with you.
I got jackets for everybody because I feel like it might get, no, lady, oh, lady, place. Come on, place. You've been trying to be sneaky all day. I know you want to come, but you can't. It's probably going to be getting chilly. I have everything that I need for a little bonfire that we're gonna go do. Always making sure things are set up, thank you.
Good job, too. Olivia, I honestly don't think our dinner would be complete without your garnish.
Exactly. Doesn't this look like a fun spread? Come on. Who said no? Who said no? I'm gonna grab the watermelon.
Nash, you get slapped in the face.
No. Nashy's our guest.
Nashy.
Does anyone call you Nashy?
Sometimes. I call them Nashy potatoes.
Mashed potato.
Everybody's enjoying their hot dogs. I'm literally going to devour the watermelon.
No. We're not eating our hot dogs. Some are eating s'mores. No. Can you not see?
No, to what?
Eating all of them.
Would you like some?
Yeah.
Did you already eat your hot dog, Logan?
I ate a hot dog and another one after that.
You had 2 hot dogs already?
Yeah.
Wow.
See, I didn't even eat that.
How many hot dogs have you had, Joel?
1.
Just 1? Cody's had 2.
It's already messing through.
Is it?
A couple for Lincoln.
Because your stick was so hot? We thought it would be really fun to come out to the property and have a bonfire out here.
Get the gram.
We typically try to have a bonfire at the beginning of the summer, you know, just to make sure that you get that check mark in, you know.
1 weenie roast.
Dad, can we get the gram?
This is a fantastic watermelon.
I know, it was so good.
Yeah, it was. When you were cutting it up, I was like, oh, that's good.
Well, I was nervous because I cut one up the other day
And it was terrible.
and it was terrible.
Terrible.
Dad,
Yeah.
Mom, you gotta listen to how deep the sound is.
You know, I don't think anyone actually knows how to determine. You know what I mean? Like, I think we can say things, but like, what is the actual truth here?
The deeper the lower the sound, the juicier it's be. It is.
Juicier what is?
The watermelon is.
Oh, yeah, everybody just pounds on them like they know what they're doing. They're just, you may as well be knocking on a wall.
When I met Joel, he introduced me, when he took me to Grandma Kerrigan's for the first time, to s'mores with cookies. Because look, you've got the graham-ish, and you got the chocolate in one. So it really does solidify.
Mom,
Uh-huh.
you take the gram. You put the chocolate on the gram. You take the mallow and put it on the chocolate and gram. And then you take a gram and put it on the mallow. Or however they say it.
I'm not sure that's 100%
You roast
accurate,
The
but
mallow.
You scarf.
Killing me, Smalls.
Then you scarf, and then he like hands it to him.
all right, Nash, have you ever had have you had s'mores yet?
Yes, I have.
Have you ever had them with cookies like that before?
Oh, yes.
Nice.
My cousins do it.
Do they?
Yeah.
How's your hot dog?
Good.
Good. I'm glad you're here with us.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I am too. It's called
Rain.
He was our cameraman. I said, you don't get a hot dog until you take the picture.
We drive a
was
hard
on, like, the
bargain.
good
You're gonna take a
day.
picture for a hot dog for dinner. You want to eat?
You take a picture.
He did a fantastic job. I think you have a career in
Dad, is this
photography.
the last bun? We don't have any more buns.
We have more buns.
In the truck.
Do you need some?
No, this is the last one.
Boston's
Okay.
got plenty of buns.
He's got buns for days.
Buns for days.
No, I have buns for years.
Hey, dump truck Boston. Start calling you buckets.
Wait, what if I were to
No,
roast
Boston,
one
your
of
name
these?
is dump truck in your pants.
Oh, well,
Yeah.
you took it too far.
Wow.
What are you, Grandpa Griffiths?
Boom.
Yeah.
What if
Are
I
you
were to...
roasting an olive?
We're seeing what this does. We should have brought licorice.
I'm not gonna lie.
We
I
should've-
know that the portable campfire is not as genuine,
It's
but
hot.
it is so convenient. Not feeding it, not being covered in smoke.
Not having to put it out when we leave. You just
Yeah,
turn it
it's
off.
it's done. I
Wonder
love
what
it.
it did.
Yeah.
We're seeing what this does.
Roasting an olive.
This is roast a pickle.
It shocks me that my kids don't like mustard on their hot dogs.
Hey, I do.
Okay, let's go through. What does everyone like on their hot dogs? Start with Bossy. What do you got on there?
Ketchup,
Okay.
mustard, and whatever that green stuff is.
Relish.
Relish.
Oh, relish is so
It's just so
Code?
good.
All right, Cody, what do you put on your hot dog?
Ketchup.
Ketchup only? Oh, that's so embarrassing.
That's
All right.
Wait, what's mayonnaise on there?
To each their own. To each their own.
Lincoln.
Lincoln, what do you like on your hot dog?
stuff again?
Relish.
Relish and ketchup. I would try mustard and mayo. Mayo's gross on it.
Mayonnaise is amazing.
You know, I'm not really sure exactly what he said. Okay, Nash, what do you like on your hot dog?
Relish and ketchup.
Yeah.
Ketchup boy.
It's my type of hot.
All right, here's what I like on mine.
I burned it. Oh.
I got it.
Actually, it smells so good.
No.
It's like
Smells
burnt
It's like
creme brulee.
sugar. It smells so good. Sweet. Okay, I like
Ruin the hair.
ketchup, mustard, and a lot of relish.
A lot.
Okay,
Relish is just
Sissy.
That's why I like it. It's just crushed.
Okay, here. We'll do Joe. While Olivia finishes what's in her mouth, what do you like on your hot dog?
Well, it depends on who's making it for me.
Okay.
'Cause
Okay.
if Bonnie's making it, it's gonna be mustard and ketchup and relish, and that's good. I'll eat it. If I'm making it, I want ketchup.
the cheese on the inside of a hot dog.
Hey, Tito, you're gonna burn somebody's hiney.
Okay, leave your stick in the fire, Lincoln.
If I make the hot dog, it's mayo and ketchup.
Are you serious?
It's so good. And
Oh my
relish.
gosh.
Relish is good. Mayo is amazing. That mayo
Mustard.
it's like deli mustard or deli mayo that's incredible.
Mustard.
good.
Mustard. It's mustard.
All right, what do you like on your hot dog?
I like the same thing as Nash. It's ketchup and relish. It's so good. I don't like mustard, and I don't like on hamburgers. I will have mayonnaise, but I
Mayonnaise
don't like.
and ketchup on a hamburger is fry sauce.
eat mayonnaise.
What?
I can't.
Oh. No, it's a long walk home now.
How is that smoking like that? That's
Because
insane.
the stick is
so
super
hot.
hot.
Oh.
The
Oh
stick
my
is super hot.
What if I were to
Wow.
cook it? What if I were to cook this thing with it?
Try your
I think you should find
That seems
a
like a
different
Look,
stick.
it's
You're gonna have band-aids on your fingers if you do that. I think.
just.
Do not eat off that like that. But
Is it because the fire's too hot? Or are we just letting it on too long?
He's putting it like down.
they're just not patient.
They're laying it on the
You gotta take your
rocks.
time. Look at this thing.
We'd like to eat it now.
Everybody pay attention to how Dad's doing it.
No, that's even better.
Oh, crap!
Okay, you guys are being crazy. I mean,
That's like
look, it's not rocket
Nash is
science.
getting golden.
There we go.
Okay, everybody watch Nash.
Not
That's why we brought him to teach us how to do it.
It's not
Look,
going
I just
out.
kind of got used to being.
This is the first night that I haven't been freezing. In fact, I made all the kids bring hoodies,
It's not.
and we don't even
crap.
need them. I can't believe it.
We got parts of northern Utah got 16 inches of snow just a day ago. That's insane.
Logan?
Interesting.
Up by altitude.
the second the sun goes down, it starts getting cold. It's cold. I've kind of got goosey bumps a little because it is so cold.
Goosebumps? You think Buckets will be okay out here?
Yeah. Oh yeah, he'll be fine.
He's got a bum foot right now.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog. It felt really good to just have a super casual vlog, sitting around the fire chit-chatting as like family and friends. So, okay, good night guys. I don't know if that was cool at all.
Well, it was a good attempt.